We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling.
We're here sa Ezdan Wakra. It's nice to come here kasi hindi masyadong crowded. Hello mga bro! Welcome again to my YouTube channel and we are here at Alto Raya Planetarium. First time namin dito. Okay, so let's go in. I know this is free entrance, so let's go. It's Yuri Gagarin. It's a cosmonaut, first human to journey into outer space. Yan. In front of the planetarium, merong beach. Tingin ko free din yan. Free entrance lang to. Wow, ayun, ang ganda oh. Anong meron? Your weight on the planet.
40 kg ka na pala sa Earth.
Oh, Earth.
Pag mo, 6 lang.
Ayan o. So, per planet, meron kang sariling weight. And I don't wanna know mine. An interactive game din. Maximus. Trying this one. What's this? What's this one? Wala lang. Oh, pwede rin ako. Ito rin ako. Try niya. Try mo, Tidge. Uy. Galing. Ito naman. This one. Ayan, oh. Mga scholars. Touch a thumbnail to see the details. Ito. Ahmad bin Ahmad. Okay. So, merong facts about him. Natin. Ayan. May puzzle siya. Mahirap. Medyo mahirap pa. Move forward. Ayan, pa-picture ka na. Ayan o. Ayun dyan o. Sa may ano, lagay mo yung face mo. See kung meron pa. Sa taas. Can we go up? Wala na yata. Ayan na yun. Ayan, ganun lang siya. May mga planets around it. Ayan. Constellation. Telescope. Ano ito, mga compass, no? Compass. That's about it. This is a real space suit. Ayan. Just read through it. Pwede nyo i-pause. Yun na rin kung anong itsura ng Katara. I think we've been here like a decade ago, no? May Katara cinema pala yun, no? Ito na po parang ano, house ni Red. Yung sa Angry Birds. Ayun na. Ito, ang ganda nitong building na to with all the tiles first time to come here. Ito yung labas, oh. Wow. Yan, oh, social, diba? Say hi, guys! Hello, guys! Mga bag. Oh, Qatar inspired. Ayan, Falcon. Qatar map. Oh, itong cute, oh. Cute, oh. Simple lang. Paul Smith ito. Just for you to have an idea how much. It's only 176 dati, 440. Monsters Rested. Ang cute! Oh, ay! Ang cute tak doon ka sa, oy, ano, trio? Ang cute. Oh. Psst. Ang ganda. Buka. Ano?
Walang presyo.
Wala. There's a side.
965?
Ha?
965?
965?
Hmm.
Ay, it's in Arabic kasi. Akala ko for you. Check this out. Ayan, it's a toy store. Yan pala. Ay, anong meron? Ba't ang daming tao? Ayan, oh. Okay. Let's go in. Pwede kaya ang video. Kanina kasi hindi nila ako pinayagan. Meron parang coffee shop right there. Like anime. Ayan, oh. And there are the prices. Ayan. Dito pa. Ayan, may mga binibili sila mga ano to, action figures. Diyan nanggagaling aircon. Oh, yan, oh. Very cold. Ayan, dito. Sa mga steps na to. Ayan, dyan. Ayan, ang lamig. Sarap.